Hi everyone, this is the Luxe Bidet Neo 185. I have actually put in a number of these being a plumber and they always work really good. The customers always like them and it's a very complete kit. In the kit you have the owner's manual, the bidet itself. They came up with a new design that these actually, you don't have to take the toilet seat completely off. You just need to unloosen the bolts, slip these under the toilet seat, and then retighten. It does come with some optional sizes that are available on these covers, and so if you need a different cover that's higher or lower, you can use that available cover. It comes with a supply line that connects onto the back of the unit itself. It has a little wrench on it that'll allow you to screw that fitting on both sides. It's a double-sided, so you don't need any wrenches on that. And you don't want to over-tighten this as well. On the back side of the Neo, the fitting that you'll be installing that is a plastic fitting, so you don't want to get too crazy on installing that. You also get a toilet adapter tee. So what you'll do is disconnect the supply line going up to your toilet, connect this onto the toilet tank to the fill valve. This port right here will connect onto the flex line that they give you. You'll just screw that on. And then on the bottom one, you'll reattach the line coming from the valve up to the toilet and just screw it right on that. That's actually a 7/8 fitting, a standard fitting for toilets. And then you also get a wrench that's included in the kit as well. Like I said, I've put a number of these in and the customers always seem very satisfied with it. And so if you're looking for a great little bidet seat, I would definitely suggest the Luxe Bidet Neo 185.